Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate clip in CapCut so you don't have to import the same video. Alright, let's get started. After you import your video to CapCut and then you want to duplicate your video, you have to click on the video like this and you have to choose you have to scroll your screen to the right and then try to find copy. And it's right here. Click on copy option and then alright, now your video has been duplicated, so you don't have to import the same video with your first video. Okay guys, that's how we can copy our video or duplicate our video in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, leave your comments and also subscribe this channel. Bye, see you.